Hello, today I want to show you how I've been solving this issue with when I bring a model into Sketchfab, then certain parts of my character turn black, right? And this is from Maya. I exported from Maya as an FBX. And so the first thing I would do is actually go in and make sure that my normals are all facing outward. You can mess with normals here. Sometimes the black can mean that your normals are reversed. So if you know which ones are black, right, you can select that one to mesh, display, reverse it, but that's actually not the issue. Let me show you what. If you click on display polygons, face normals, so we got these poking out, and now that I've reversed this, I need to reverse it back. So reverse, display polygons, face normals. Okay, now it's pointing back out. This is how it was when I exported it. So that is not the issue, but on mine, but you might be able to mess with some of these. Sometimes you can do set to face, and that will bring all of the normals out. So mess with those, harden everything, soften it again. But I tried that on this and it didn't work. So this is my solution to that. And I am going to grab all of these objects and export it as an OBJ file. So I'll just call this tree test. Export that. Okay, now I'm going to open up a new Maya file, clean file, and bring in that object that I just exported. Oh, so this is an annoying thing about exporting OBJs. It creates a group name before my object name. So let me show you how I can solve that too. So I'm going to go in back to here, take everything out of this object, just grab it, hit Shift P, and now I'm going to export it again as that same OBJ object. Yes. Okay, go back to my clean Maya file and drag those in. See, now it doesn't have all those group names before the objects. All right. So now I don't know what nodes they are, but I can't find the nodes in Maya. But for some reason, when you export it as an OBJ, it disconnects some things. So now I need to go into the hypershade here, and I'm going to delete. Just grab all the materials, hit delete. Okay, so it didn't bring the materials in at all. So now when I bring this back into that other file, I'm going to have to reapply those materials. So I'm going to take it from here, export this as that same object, and go back to my original file. I'm going to put all these back in the group so that I can drag that other one in here and it's not going to erase them. So I can show you the difference. So I've got this object again, drag this in here. So I've got my old tree and my new tree. This is just going to be for reference. But I'm going to take all these again and go in and add my materials back on. And this chin part, I actually want to be a different material, so I'm going to add that. The UVs don't get messed up when you do this, so the UVs are all the same. So now, if I take this, let's say tree 2, I'm going to take both of these and export them as an FBX. So tree FBX. Alright, now I'm going to go back to Sketchfab and hit re-upload just so I can replace that. Grab my FBX that I just made, drop it in here and re-upload. And the reason I'm re-uploading instead of creating a new one is because I want the materials to already be set up because I already connected them in Sketchfab. So this should just take a second to load it, and then you have to go in and review it, and it's going to show me the difference of the previous upload and the new upload. So right here, it finished, so I'm going to go ahead and check the model. Here it comes. See, and the second one, this first one on the left is the old upload, and this is the new upload. So for some reason, exporting as an OBJ, making sure there's no material data, and then bringing it back into your file and reapplying the materials fixes that issue. I'm going to choose the re-uploaded model. So there you go. Hope that helps, and have a great day.